Hello everyone, my name is Raviraj Adlinge. I am from Electrical Engineering Department. Today we are going to study the introduction to the electrical network. In last lecture, you had discussed about the Ohm's law. Ohm's law is nothing but the current passing through the conductor is directly proportional to the applied voltage across its terminal. Now, today we are going to study what is the definition of the resistance, inductance and capacitance. Also, we are going to study what is the electrical network. First, what is the resistance? Let's see definition of the resistance. Resistance is the measure of the opposition to the current flow in an electrical circuit. In previous years, means in your schooling education, we have discussed about the resistance. Resistance is one of the basic component in an electrical circuit. Then let's see what is the symbol of this resistance. This is nothing but the simple symbol of the resistance. Then what is the unit of the resistance? As we know that from the Ohm's law, the proportionality constant is a resistance. Therefore, the unit of the resistance is Ohm, and its symbol is Greek Ohm. Now, let's see further what is the inductance. Inductance is actually concept of the electromagnetism, but here we are going to study what is the definition of the inductance. Inductance can be defined as, in electromagnetism, inductance is the tendency of an electrical conductor to oppose a change in the current flowing through it. Here one important concept is that the opposition to the change in electrical current. In terms of the resistance, resistance is nothing but the opposition to the flow of electric current. But in terms of the inductance, it is nothing but opposed to the change in electric current. This change is very important. Now, what is the symbol of this inductance? This is the simple coil which is wound. Is nothing but inductance. Suppose this is a simple copper wire. If this copper wire is turned like this, then it is going to be inductance. This is going to be the simple inductance. Now, what is the unit of the inductance? The unit of the inductance is Henry, that is capital H. Now, another next part is capacitance. Let's see capacitance. Capacitance is actually related to the electrostatic. Let's see the definition of the capacitance. Capacitance is the ability of component or circuit to collect and store energy in the form of electrical charge. This is very important, electrical charge. Resistance deals with the electric current. Inductance deals with the opposition to the change in electric current. But capacitance deals with the storage of charge. This charge is very important. Now, what is the symbol of the capacitance? Capacitance is nothing but two parallel plates. Let's see what is the difference between battery and capacitance. You may seem like that it is like battery, but it is not a battery. In case of battery, there is one positive potential and there is one negative potential. It is called as cell or battery. But in case of the capacitance, there are two parallel plates. This is going to be the capacitance, two parallel plates. This is capacitance, this is cell. Now, further, the unit of the capacitance is farad. Therefore, up to here, we had discussed about the resistance, inductance and capacitance. Resistance is nothing but the element which opposes the flow of electric current. Inductance is nothing but which opposes the flow of change of electric current, and capacitance is nothing but which store energy in the form of electric charge. These are the three very important parameters in terms of the electric network. This is called RLC. Okay. Now we are going to interconnect this part so that it is going to be the formation of the electrical network, which is our next concept. So therefore, let's see what is the electrical network. The definition of the electrical network is an electrical network is an interconnection of electrical components like batteries, resistors, inductors, and switch. First, let's see what is the difference between the battery and cell. Cell is nothing but positive potential and negative potential terminal is going to be the cell. Let's say this is 2-volt cell. Now, if number of such cells are connected in series, then it's going to be the formation of the battery. Here, 3 2-volt cells are connected in series. Therefore, the total voltage across this battery is going to be the 6 volt. Okay. We know the symbol of the resistors, inductors, and capacitors. There is one another concept like switch. In electrical circuit, always remember switch is denoted like this. This is an open switch. If this switch has to be closed, then this can be denoted like that. Arrow closed. This is open. This is closed. Okay. Now, definition of the electrical network is like that: interconnection of an electrical component, batteries, or switch. Now let's see how you can elaborate this. Consider this is a simple cell. This dotted line or this straight line is nothing but wires. Consider here is one resistance. We are connected with this cell with a wire. This is nothing but the simple electrical network. Suppose the value of this cell is 10 volt and the value of this resistance is 5 ohm. Then what will be the current flowing through this circuit? By applying Ohm's law, we get I is equal to 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2 ampere. This is nothing but the current flowing through this circuit. Now, suppose resistance, inductance, and capacitance are connected together. This is resistance. Here is going to be inductance, and here is going to be the capacitance. Here is one switch, and here is one cell. Now, initially, suppose this is 10 volt, switch is here, this is switch, this is R, resistance, this is L, and this is capacitance C. Initially, switch is open, therefore current flowing through the circuit initially I is equal to 0, because Ohm's law states that unless and until a voltage applied across the circuit, the current flowing through the circuit is 0. Now, suppose this switch is closed. Suppose this switch is closed. Now this circuit is getting closed. Therefore, this current I will start to flow through this circuit. This is called as electrical network. In next chapter and further, we are going to study RL circuit, RC circuit, RLC circuit with AC voltage applied across it. This is nothing but the electrical network. Okay. Now, Up to this, we are studied about the resistance, inductance, capacitance, and electrical network. Let's revise once more. What is the resistance, inductance, capacitance? Resistance is nothing but the opposition to the flow of electric current. Inductance is nothing but the opposition to the change in electric current flowing through it. Then, what is the capacitance? Capacitance is nothing but the ability of the element to store the electric charge. And further, the electrical network is nothing but the interconnection of electrical component. There are different types of the question on this session. Define resistance and state its symbol and unit. Define inductance and state its symbol and unit. Suppose in exam, there is a question for 2 marks. Define the resistance and state its symbol. We have to simply define resistance and we have to give simple symbol. Then we will get 2 marks. There is a question number 4. Define electrical network and explain it with simple example. Electrical network, you can easily define electrical network, but simple example means what? Some people may simple draw a cell and connect resistance. It is also okay. Some people simple draw a battery, connect inductance. It is also okay. Some people may connect a battery with resistance and inductance. It is also okay. Such type of different combination is nothing but the electrical network. Hope so all you get this concept clearly. Thank you.